wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best air suspension kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're looking to cushion your classic car or hot rod, the airmaxxx weld-on should be up to the task. The mounting brackets are made from laser-cut 3/16 of an inch steel, so they'll stay in one piece even if you enjoy pushing your vehicle to the limit. It's backed by a lifetime warranty and offers a 500 psi burst pressure. However, it doesn't include airline fittings. At number 9, this single parts Galaxy suspension bag is designed to work well with a variety of Ford, Lincoln and Mercury vehicles. It's the perfect replacement for a worn-out airbag in your older model of Town Car, Grand Marquis or Crown Victoria. It's made of thick and durable rubber and is designed for cars manufactured between 1994 and 2011, but it's only for rear wheels. Coming in at number 8 on our list. People who live on dirt roads in rural communities or anywhere that the local government is slow to repair potholes should consider the Airlift 88275. It's well designed for limiting bouncing and jarring impacts regardless of the quality of the road. It's adjustable from 5 to 100 psi and pairs well with wireless compressors. However, the instructions are useless. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for air suspension kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Vixen Air VXD 2600 QP can manage an impressive 600 psi, giving you plenty of support and cushioning as you travel down the road. They're capable of standing up to a lot of abuse as well, so you can reenact your favorite scenes from the Dukes of Hazzard. Just kidding. These come in a pack of 4 and are a good budget option, but they lack internal jounces. Moving up our list to number 6. The Airlift 57396 comes with everything you need to get the rear wheels of your truck ready to support seriously sized loads. The airbags in this system help to eliminate sagging and bottoming out issues, even over especially rough or bumpy terrain. It works well on vans and adds comfort to any ride. However, it is a pain to install on the driver's side. Halfway up our list at number 5. This firestone rite Airspring 2430 works with multiple different trucks, vans and sport utility vehicles made by GMC and Chevrolet. The Airsprings can even be installed in certain varieties of motorhome or large commercial vehicle. It features a life cycle rated for 1 million uses, and there's no need to drill or modify anything. But the brackets clunk when the pressure is low. At number 4, if you aren't ready to get rid of your coil springs entirely, the Airlift 60818 fits inside them to give you a ton of extra support. Well, since they offer an impressive 1,000 pounds of leveling capacity, perhaps it's more correct to say a half ton of extra support. It helps eliminate sagging and reduces trailer sway. Installation is quick and easy. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Firestone Rite Air Helper is suitable for supporting loads weighing anywhere between 3,000 and 5,000 pounds, making it a great choice for use in a pickup truck whose bed regularly gets filled with lots of gear or building materials. It uses tapered style air springs and is suitable for DIY installation. It works well in RVs too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for air suspension kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, anyone driving a Mercedes should think about putting the dedc Pair R350 on their ride. You won't even have to dismantle your precious automobile very much to put these rear shocks on, as you can hook them up with very little disassembly. They can be installed in an hour and fit most R-Class models. They ensure your car stays level. And coming in at number 1 on our list. The bags in the Airlift 88204 are made with premium Goodyear rubber, ensuring they'll be able to put up with all kinds of abuse. They also have internal bounce jumpers so you can run them without any inflation and not sacrifice a bit of comfort. These can correct poor headlight aim and come with heavy-duty mounting brackets. The instructions are detailed and useful. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for air suspension kits, or simply click beneath this video.